Bayopal is a complete, versatile range of rackable pallets, offering a comprehensive choice of deck and base options. Bayopal's flat-top deck makes it easy to slide containers and cardboard boxes on and off. The optional anti-slip plugs further increase safety when handling. The Bayopal range is suitable for all handling and storage requirements. Standardized dimensions ensure that the range is fully compatible with any existing fleet of pallets. The unrivaled mechanical performance of Bayopal meets the needs of automated handling systems and robotized order preparation systems. The connection between runners and top deck includes a weak point. The bayonet makes repairs easier and lowers maintenance costs. Essential and valuable parts are protected. Made from HDPE, the Bayopal range works silently and seamlessly on all types of conveying devices. It can be recycled at the end of its long working life. The Bayopal range includes 9 models meeting the needs of various applications and industries. The 22mm rim variant is fully compliant with the reverse logistics requirements of the automotive industry. Bayopal offers efficient logistics features such as strap hook locations and rib zones to retain wrap foil. These features speed up order preparation and shipping. The Bayopal also includes a host of labeling and printing options to promote your brand awareness and to identify your property. Bayopal, the new base of your logistics.